What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be refactoring Dodge. If you haven't played Dodge, which I don't blame you if you have not, this is how it goes. The squares come at you, and you have to dodge them, and it gets increasingly harder. And it's, yeah, if you touch one of these squares, then it's game over. It's very simple. And that's what we will be refactoring. So index looks great. We've got a dodge and a square. Let's go to dodge. Var player. First of all, let's change projs to projectiles. There we go. Pretty simple. And we're gonna say track on screen squares. Okay, speed, speed of the projectiles. I'm fairly certain that it's what is speed. That didn't make any sense. I'm pretty sure it's only the projectiles. I don't know if the player's speed is something else, or maybe it's of the projectiles and the player. I'm not sure. We'll see. We have width over 2, height over 2. Okay. So why do we do this like that? I guess I moved it on accident. Let's see. Center align. Well, okay, so I guess we could, I'm pretty sure, just kind of do this. I don't know why I had those extrapolated. So we'll just say initialize player. Cool. We'll just put that to a new line. That should be good. Cool, cool, cool. Now, this is, okay, this really should be difficulty. There we go. Okay, so here, this needs to go in its own function. Attempt new projectile. We'll put frame count within here. Attempt new projectile frame neat frame. Okay. Attempts to push a new projectile to the projectiles array. There we go. Every 0.5 seconds. Okay. Random difficulty. So. If we do, what shall we do? Random chance, or based upon difficulty, we call generate square. Increase difficulty. There we go. Okay. This moves the player. So here we can say handles user input. Very simple. Let's say else if. No, I don't think we should say else if. Okay, whatever. So we just say move. Yeah, okay. Maybe we should wrap it a bit differently. We'll come back to that. End game. Stops the loop. Draws game over message. There we go. Pretty simple so far. The usual. There we go. It's renaming random color. This returns a random color. There we go. And what we have here now is returns a randomly generated square. Generate square. Nice, okay. Okay, so seems like this is pretty well documented. If this is true, randomize and keep okay, if we do false equals randomize y-axis and keep x-axis constant. That's what we're saying. Only allow squares to spawn on at edges. There you go. Cool. This is good. Okay, so what I'm immediately gonna do is go down to move. We're gonna say create vector x acceleration. Is this how you spell acceleration? I'm not exactly sure. Yes, we're good. Y acceleration. Let's do that here. Oop. Y acceleration. Cool. And then I'll document this one. Adds new velocity to adds acceleration to velocity. There we go. Okay, now all we have to do is, whoop, let's just say var speed. Difficulty times 0.8. Okay, so this is 0, negative speed. This one is 0, speed. There. This one is negative speed, 0. This one is positive speed, 0. And should be good so far. What are we doing here? Player is slower than projectiles. There we go. We are 80% slower. Now, if we come here, we replace that with that and that with that. Oh, color. Here, let's look up this.c. That's the only one. There. It's just like size, really. Size. Okay. Keep that like that. Say this dot color. We'll say this dot size, this dot size. Nice. Okay. Okay, let's see. This is where I start getting really cryptic, because now everything's like one character in length. What is it? What is it? This dot player? This dot target velocity. Target location. There we go. There we go. Now we want to say S comma P. So what's up with this? That's only one place, so that was an unused variable. I guess I forgot to delete. Let's do this real quick. Velocityosity. Let's see. Okay, let's see. What else? Position. Okay, that was quite a few things to change. Okay. Cool. Let's start documenting. No. Changes position based upon velocity. No, I'm not doing that. What also does it do? Oh. Oh goodness. Okay, well this dot P is whether or not it's the player. So what we need to say is player. Update as a player. If we are a player. Okay. Okay. Only the player gets friction. There we go. Adds friction if specific is true. This draws the square to the screen. There we go, is off screen. Updates whether the square is off screen or not. There we go. Pretty simple, nothing needs in-depth commenting. Returns whether this square collides with past square. There we go. There. S dot square 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 square. Okay. How you doing, /render? It's been a while. Okay. Function set velocity. Let's actually comment this. Tx. What would Tx and Ty be? I think it would be center x. So why did I do T? Lamop. Lamaup. Tx. Why did I call it Tx and Ty? It'd be middle, in the middle, center x. Oh, wait a minute, would it? Tx is less than Tx. Why did I call it that? I don't understand. Let's say stroke we'll say R there. So right now we're gonna draw this to the screen. Point at Tx, Ty. And we have an error. Missing a parenthesis. Where? Dodge 14. There we go. No. Oh, right here. Okay. Missing after argument list 69 in square. Okay, forgot another parenthesis. Whoa. I thought we multiply. Oh, right, because when we update the player, player.update true. Update false. Okay. Okay, so it is the center. So let's do, yeah, that's pretty simple. cx cy var center equals create vector cx cy center.x center.x center.y center.y. Okay. And we will say squares center point. Okay, now let's do okay, var right bound equals create vector square all of this code. Okay, rx equals that, var ry equals this. Say that for that, and we'll say no, yeah, oh, that's why. What was it? rx ry. Rightmost bound of opposite of past square. We'll say this squares there. Cool. And here we say center, nope, where do we go? Right bound. Bound dot x. And then here we say right bound dot y. Cool. Cool. Calculate, okay. Calculate this square's location. Calculate past squares location. Cool, that's cool. Let's document set velocity. Almost done. We have a few more things to do actually. P and S. So this is the one we're at, right? This top position. Why did I name them S and P? I don't understand my naming here. Now, if we do, oh gee, thanks time. Let's see. Returns a vector pointing from v1 v2. We're just gonna say v1, vel1, vel2. Wait, was it S and then P? I think it was, this is that, and this is that, and then this is this, this is this. Okay. Point toward hang on. If vel2, vel1 and vel2, right? I don't know why we do that. Really, we can just kind of delete that, but yeah, let's do it, whatever. Let's try this. Point the vel1 toward vel2. Limit the speed. Unexpected token at 63. Okay, I clicked there. Okay, here is where we have it. And it needs to be more like here. Cannot find x of null. 81. Okay. So we do need if vel1 and vel2 there, and then we say return velocity. Here we say return create vector 0, 0 there. Pointing from vel1 to vel2, and we pass in speed. We're gonna pass in speed. This speed equals speed. Neat. Now we say this dot speed. Cool. Now we say both vectors exist. We'll just say not equal to null. Not equal to null. Cool. Okay, we have a problem. Now, let's see. So set velocity, return velocity. Could it be vel? Could I have switched these around on accident? Possibly, I doubt it, because they should still be moving. Yeah, okay, that's not a problem. Let's just do vel2. Okay, that's not the bad part. Let's go into, what is it? Projectiles. If we look at the squares and we see velocity 0, 0, 0, 0. Why is that? Well, let's go into here and let's delete this. Well, no, because then we're gonna get errors. We don't want errors. Let's try. Ooh, this is weird now. Both vectors exist. What if I change this to 1? So they will always be moving. Yeah, okay. They are always going to this. Vel1, vel2. Okay. If vel1, wait a minute, what, okay, set velocity is called from up here. And we try and find the distance between, not the distance between, we try and find the direction, and then we set the speed. So if we take something like this dot position, that's our vector. That makes sense. But if we pass the player, let's look at generate square. Okay. So we say player dot position there. Nice. Okay. Well, we still have trouble, but they aren't going the wrong way this time. Vel X. Okay. Projectiles. 19 again. I'm pretty sure that's what I got. Speed is undefined. We never pass speed. Goodness. What is up? Speed. I am speed. Okay. Speed is not defined. Difficulty. My bad. Nice. Okay. Now if we go to null and then difficulty times 0.8 and we say difficulty equals to there, and I kind of want this here. Let's put space there. Okay, well, I'm able to do that. Let's do projectiles. 11 of them. Velocity. None, 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 none. Nothing's on the velocity. They don't move at all, do they? So here we do a let's try deleting this part. Whoa. That doesn't help. There. It's just their velocity goes to 0. Why? It's never. Okay. This dot speed. This dot speed needs to be greater, maybe? Let's not limit the speed then. Oh wait. So within here we have square velocity -0. What's that about? Let's try 1, 2, 1, dot y, 2, no, dot y, there. Okay, that didn't change a thing either. This dot speed. So if I go in here and I figure I will, thank you. Speed is 2.099999. And if we do, see, this all makes sense. Except when we set the magnitude, it just kind of, what in the world? Okay. Undefined, that's why. Okay, why is that undefined then? This dot speed equals speed. We pass in speed. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 speed. Then we have Where do we do it? Gen squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Generate speed. This should be completely fine. Let's console.log difficulty though. Difficulty there. So our difficulty is fine, and it's getting passed completely fine. Did I take out the console logging of the speed? Console so why what this dot speed equals speed? Why is it not here? Speed there. What? Flag 1. Wait, what's firing there though? Oh. That's why. Wow. That's why? I don't understand. Actually, I do understand, but it's just a frustrating reason to have taken so long on it. Okay, well, it's still not happening. Projectiles. 2, 3, 0, 0. Yep. Okay. We say limit the speed. We're saying console.log speed again. Okay. This dot speed. Nice. Why is it undefined? I thought I just had that. What in the world? Why isn't it telling me that it's not undefined? Or when it isn't? What? We pass in the speed, right? Generate square. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Difficulty. Let's try it. Console log difficulty. There. And we log it. That's completely fine. I understand that. Now why don't we console.log difficulty or speed plus this dot speed. We put an ampersand here. Nope. It makes sense. It makes sense because it sets it. Then what happens? What in the world? It all makes sense, but it doesn't work. What? Logging difficulty you saw right there. That's a number, and we pass it right here. Pass it right here. And then we take it. We did log it. We logged it with speed and this dot speed. So what's going on? What is happening to this dot speed? Do we need to move this all? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That was painful. Okay. Are you serious? that all of that could have been avoided. Oh, hey, it works though. That's all I'm happy about. Okay. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. Well, okay. Took longer than expected, but we should be fine. Let's get the last little part. Oop. Draw score to function draw score. Nope, not what I meant. There. There. And we say draws the player's score. Nice. And now here we have an entire loop. Handle projectiles. Projectiles. Okay. Function handle projectiles. There. Okay. We say update and draw false equals not the player. Okay. Then we say check for it's off screen. Delete from array. Okay, so what we are doing here is we updates, draws, checks collision for, and manages array for projectiles. Projectiles here. Manages projectiles array. Squares. There. Let's move back up to like 30. Okay, and here we do handle player. Okay. Function handle player. Okay. Here we update and draw. Here we check for check if the player leaves boundaries. Oh wait, we're just gonna say constrain the player. What we have here is we have a function which updates, draws, and constrains the player. Nice. What we'll do now is we will say handle player, handle keys go in the same place. Attempt new projectile will go closer there. Nice. Well, okay, that should do it for today. I think so. Everything seems documented completely. So let's see what we will be doing tomorrow after we test. And if we hit, we're good. If I go out of bounds, then we're good. Actually, let's check the... We gotta change the on-screen. On-screen. Where is it? On-screen. Off-screen. Same thing. Plus this dot size. Plus this dot size. There. So now we should have... Yeah, okay. Cool. So yeah, I think we are good. Good to go. Good for tomorrow. Let me just check what it is tomorrow. 1088. We're growing, guys. I'm really enjoying it. Thank you for tuning in. Putt bucket. Awesome. So I'm hyped for that. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching. Yep, see you tomorrow. Peace.